These are the sanding detailing sticks. They're available in 3 grits. First we have the blue, which is the fine 240 grit. Then we have the red, which is the medium 120 grit. And finally we have the grey, which is the coarse 80 grit. They're really good for sanding, detailing, deburring, shaping and finishing a wide range of materials, such as wood and metals. It's got a round end, which is great for internal curves. It's got flat edges on both sides, and it's also got a fine tipped point, which is great for hard to reach areas. The belt is held on by a spring-loaded tensioner, which means you can also shift the belt around easily once one part is used to use the full surface area of the belt. The sticks are sold individually, but replacement belts are available in packs of 5. That's the sanding detailing sticks.